Down here, Cool Cove, another one of my little updates. Alright, here, I'm going to show you my pontoon boat now. Check this out. Here we go. See? Huh, that's it. Goodbye. No, let me show you a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. We'll go back here. Take a look at the motor. Yeah, now I'll go down this side here. It's an 81. I got a really good deal on it from a lady lost her husband. It was kind of a sad story, but they only took it out once, and then he passed. So anyway, she gave me a super deal on it. I appreciate it. And I told her, well, you give me that deal, I'll give you a ride on it when I get it fixed up. So she liked that. So she's going to get to go out at it again. Alrighty, let's take a look at the other side here. Yeah. And it's a good sized boat. It's a 24 footer. It's got an 88 horse Johnson on the back. So, you know, it'll push it right along, do the job. And it's got an older trailer, but it's not the original, I don't think. But, well, we took the wheels and tires off and replaced the tires before we could tow it, because they were flat. And then there's a whole bunch of other little stuff we got to do. We're going to put a rug down, build some chairs up there and whatnot. But yeah, this summer out on Blue Lakes here in Northern California. It's a pristine, clean little lake. You can only go 5 miles an hour for swimming and fishing, and that's where I like to go. And we'll put it out there and go fishing. And you can eat the fish out of that lake, so no mercury, no pollution. Okay, that's about it. Okay, I love you guys. Catch you next time. Bye.